Highlight is on strike by Jennifer Jones. When you need something to stand out, we are the ones people think of most. We are colorful and bright, but we don't like to boast. We brighten up kids' notebooks. We make things easy to see. Without us, you may never know such bright and joyful glee. When words on a page of paper simply just don't feel enough, we swoop right in with yellow ink to brighten up the black and white up. When you need to see what's important, we make it crystal clear, which is why you think that the users would be gentle when we are near. Puff, but no, they do not respect us. Instead, they treat us like dirt. They push us hard on the paper until our ink begins to squirt. Oh, help me. They press us into desktops, crack our bodies in between the chairs. Ask anyone what they think of this behavior. They would say it isn't fair. Ow! Hey, please stop! We are the abusers that push hard. The students are the source. They don't need to go so hard with us. We work even without force. They try to bend us and snap our bodies, or worse, they chew our ends. They giggle and proudly show their magnoplastic to all their school friends. Oh, my body! Hey, kid, stop chewing me! Oh, that's amazing! I know. Oh, and nearly all of us highlighters will eventually be without caps. Students take them off and lose them before they put us back. Where is my lid? I can't find it. We want our lids. Our ink dries out completely and we no longer light up pages. And it's not just young kindergartners, it's students of all different ages. Oh, my ink is gone. Oh, gone. They toss us around in bins with pencils that scratch us up. Well, we're sick of it, of being mistreated. We highlighters have had enough. Yeah, enough of this nonsense. Yeah, crash this calamity. This makes no orange sense. I bet the firefighters would like to see your behavior. So one day during recess, we choose the brightest colors of our bunch. We grabbed a paper and started to write. We wanted the kids to have more than a hunch. In big, bold, yellow letters, we wrote about what we didn't like. That's it. We've had enough, we wrote. The highlighters are going on strike. Yay! On strike, on strike, on strike. We wrote that we were tired of being treated like their junk. We didn't care if their schoolwork suffered. It would be their fault if they flunked. Until then, they have to see pages of only white and black. Some things would have never changed if they wanted us back. The students found our note as they returned from their outdoor play. They read out yellow words quietly. They didn't know what to say. And then they gathered in a huddle, grabbed some paper for reply. "We're sorry we hurt you," they said. "We'll make it up to you. Please let us try. We won't let your ink dry out. We'll remember to put your tops. We'll make sure to place you back carefully and make sure all the abuse stops." The students seemed sincere enough. We decided to give them a chance, as long as they understood exactly the highlighter's stance. But should they mistreat us again in ways we don't like? The highlighters will walk then. We will go again on strike. How do you like this new book of highlighters on strike? Tell me in the comment section below.